Hi, I'm Nelson Canning. I practice in Lawson, Missouri, and we just did hygiene explosions with Bert. It was a fantastic day. I think as a practice leader, one of the things that we do is we invest in ourselves as dentists, and this is such a good opportunity to invest in the whole team, to see that experts were created today. And they're already experts, but just give them the tools to become even better, to serve the patients. It's such a great feeling, and to see their aha moments, it's a joy. So it's been a great day. Can't wait to go to work tomorrow.
I'm Dr. Tippin, and I practice in Richmond and Lawson right now, and am really excited about just the calibrating our team got to be undergoing, just thinking through all the prevention strategies that in dentistry are at our fingertips and that we just sometimes forget about in the haste of getting everything that we need to get done, but coming together to rally our skills and our expertise to make patients healthier and more impervious to decay and periodontal disease. All these things are really, it just gets you kind of riled up, not riled up, but excited for what we do as prevention experts in dentistry. And so really enjoyed that aspect.
Okay.